So it rained a bunch last night, so I have buckets out again. That one's about half full, that big one. Another one over here. It's pretty much full, that small one. And I've already emptied 2 of that size into the bathroom buckets for like flushing the toilet and stuff. So I've emptied like 2, and last night I kept emptying them as they would fill up. We got a lot of rain last night. I have this bucket over here that was like overflowing. I've poured some water out to boil to clean inside the camper. It's been awesome. We've got so much water the last couple days from rain. Now I'll take you in the camper. I've been cleaning. I'm going to take you in the camper and show you what I've been doing cleaning. I'm only going to show you what's actually already cleaned, because it is like, there's just storage, it's just messy in there. So I've got Samantha's room done, which is nice. I scrubbed it from top to bottom, even cleaned the floors and the carpets on my hands and knees with just some Pine Sol and warm water. And then I cleaned out the fridge and freezer. As soon as we move that one of those orange tents, I'm going to use it as storage so I can get a bunch of stuff out of here to clean the living room, because right now it's just a big mess like of storage. Okay, so I'm trying to avoid most of the mess, but my fridge and freezer is all cleaned. It got really bad because we left it closed. We didn't realize that it had closed over the winter and was closed all winter, so it needed a really good scrub down. Back here's Samantha's room. So we had a bunch of storage stuff in here, which I've moved out. That's her mattress from her other bed. Like, she had a twin bed here a while ago, and I sold the frame and just kept the mattress. So it's way more comfortable than these tiny mattresses on the camper bed. So I put it in here. I'm going to make it. There's just a bunch of stuff Jeremy has to go through. It's his stuff on the top bunk. But I literally scrubbed from the top to the bottom in here. The ceiling, pulled out all the windows and wiped them out. Up there's a few more of Jeremy's things, and I've got some of Sam's clothes unpacked in the cupboards, and a bunch of board games in there, because she loves playing games. She's so good at it too. So yeah, that's the clean floor, and here's the rest of the floor. You can see where I've cleaned up to, eh? Disgraceful, I know, but it's getting there. And the bathroom, I need Jeremy to come in and move his gun cabinet out of here and some stuff, and then I can clean in there too. So it's a work in progress. I'm getting there. We're thinking that we're going to sell the camper later this year, probably like closer to the end of the season, so we can enjoy the campground that we paid for this year. And then we're going to probably put it for sale at the campground by the end of the season, because next year we want to get animals. So we're not really going to be able to leave and just go camping, because we want to start, we're going to build like a little barn or something, hopefully by fall this year. So as soon as spring hits next year, we can start getting some chickens. We want a pig or 2. So we won't really be able to leave and go camping. So we thought we'll enjoy this season, and then we'll list it for sale at the campground and see if we can get rid of the camper and just stay here from now on. After this year, we'll be just so busy here with animals and building up our homestead and our farm. So yeah, we'll be too busy to just leave and go camping anyway. So yeah, my plan is just to continue working in here today, get it tidied up, and then get outside with Jeremy when he's ready and get that tent moved so I can move a whole bunch of the stuff out of here. I just got boxes and boxes of stuff in here that need to be moved so I can continue cleaning. I'm making progress. This is my room now. It just had a bunch of stuff stored on it. And I've cleaned it literally from top to bottom. Started at the ceiling, did the cupboards, opened the cupboards, cleaned them all, made the bed. I got the bounce sheets there just to keep mice away. Here's my other side of the room. I'll show you Sam's room. This is the living room. Quickly go over that. Just brutal mess. We just got to find a home for everything. So Sam helped me make her bed. Got her bed all made. And then Jeremy just needs to go through all that stuff, which is all his up there. So it's coming together. Thank goodness. Now I'm going to head outside and help Jeremy load some more wood so we can get the yard cleaned up, because there's not really anything more I can do in here until we get that other tent. So now I'm going to go and help Jeremy lug some more wood, because there's not really any more that I can do in here until we get one of those tents moved and I can get the stuff in it. So until then, I will be out lugging wood and then moving the tent, and then I'll move the stuff out of here and clean the living room, dining room, kitchen area. We've started a second rack of wood over here. Second section. It's going to be lots of wood everywhere. Look at the water though that accumulates. We had a lot of rain the last few days. Right here. So you can't really have any wood or anything right there, because anytime it rains, this is where it accumulates. No good. Can you believe it? The wood is finally done right here anyway. We still have all the wood in this tent, which is only like 2 rows, so that's good. And then the wood in here. But we moved all the wood that was on this deck. We removed the deck and then the small other piece of deck at the front. Like there was just a 1-piece pallet and then a bunch of pallets on a pallet deck. We got all that done. What did I tell you? It'd take about a week? Well, today's Saturday. It's probably been a week since I started. And all this wood's gone. Next, it's starting to rain now, so I don't know if we'll get to the tent today, but hopefully we're going to get in here, get the 2 rows in here, I'll show you, and then get this tent moved. But I can't believe it. It's so great that that's finally done. Here's the pile. Man, it's a lot of wood, and we still have so much more. All right, let's go in. Okay, in here. See, there's not that much in here, just a couple rows. So that won't take that long. And then we can grab like these boxes and random stuff out and move this tent. Yes, honey. Here's my little princess. What do you want to say? Anything to the camera? She's playing in this, what is these little rocks, I guess. And she's been playing in mud puddles. She's been playing in mud puddles, dancing, helping us lug wood. Look at her boots. She loves the mud. Don't you, big girl? Oh, strutting her stuff. The yard is coming together. We've only been living here for not even 2 weeks. A week and a half? Well, it'll be 2 weeks on Tuesday that we moved back. So, and really, we didn't even move back in until like late that day that we got here and unloaded. So, not even 2 weeks, and we've accomplished a ton. The camper's almost ready to go. Those both wood piles are gone. The house, everything's completely unpacked that we want to do. The gym set back up and the shipping container up front. We've been busy beavers. Sam's spreading rock throughout the driveway so we don't have to pay the guy tomorrow to come do it, or Monday. She's going to fill all the holes for us. Huh? You're going to fill the holes with the little rock there, aren't you? Holes? The holes in the driveway. All right, I got to go back over there and help him load some more wood. Joys, joys, joys.